What's the worst way a family member has betrayed you? My brother called me crying last year, saying he needed $10,000 for his wife's surgery. Emptied most of my savings to help him. He promised to pay back in 6 months. Never saw a penny back. Every time I asked, he'd say things were tight, but he'd get to it soon. Still, he posted vacation pictures on Facebook, bought a new car, started avoiding my calls. Then last month, my kid and my daughter were in a bad bike accident. Both got hit by a car while cycling to school. My son broke his leg in 3 places. My daughter had deep cuts needing surgery. Sitting in the hospital, watching them in pain, I called my brother begging for that money back for their medical bills. He just said, "Sorry bro, spent it all. Maybe their mom can help?" The next day, he posted about buying concert tickets for him and his wife. Called our mom crying about it. That's when she told me there was never any surgery. His wife was at her house that whole week, perfectly fine. Now I'm drowning in hospital bills while my kids recover, and he's living it up with my money. Some brothers aren't worth having.